Some might say we're armed and dangerous. Pay the price of their life every night, but it ain't enough. Pain is the name of the game when they play with us. Say what you say, but they ain't the same for us. Unforgiven. Right now, Sunset Boulevard with my niggas, screaming, oh my Lord. Unforgiven. Right now, Sunset Boulevard with my niggas, screaming, oh my Lord, my Lord. Some might say we're armed and dangerous. Pay the price of their life every night, but it ain't enough. Pain is the name of the game when they play with us. Say what you say, but the lane ain't the same for us. We all been no booze, we know what to do. We got nothing to lose, got nothing to prove. Ooh, we all been the truth. Take a walk in our shoes, we just wanna cruise. Nothing to prove. Unforgiven. Right now, Sunset Boulevard with my niggas, screaming, oh my Lord. Unforgiven. Right now, Sunset Boulevard with my niggas, screaming, oh my Lord, my Lord. Unforgiven. Right now, Sunset Boulevard with my niggas, screaming, oh my Lord. Unforgiven. Right now, Sunset Boulevard with my niggas, screaming, oh my Lord, my Lord.
Mama, look at where a nigga at. I can see him slipping through the cracks. Feeling like a fucking captain, I'm smashing the pedal, I ain't never looking back. All I really ever wanted, to be honest, was to put my niggas on, and now we running it. This shit was never really promised to me, so I probably should be acting like a nigga humble. You gotta love it when you know you got the fucking juice in this motherfucker. That's why we ride like troops through this motherfucker. Sunset, no roof in this motherfucker. Tommy Lee, Molly Crew in this motherfucker. Okay, now hold up, wait a minute, y'all ain't let me finish. Fuck you mean, it's all about my niggas. Fuck them other niggas, every bitches, tell them that we winning. We the new religion, rolling down the 10 up in the Benz with all the windows tinted, still the
Unforgiven. Right now, Sunset Boulevard with my niggas, screaming, oh my Lord. Unforgiven. Right now, Sunset Boulevard with my niggas, screaming, oh my Lord. Unforgiven.